Make it bounce.
Up there.
Did you put all this interior in?
Yep, fully chopped. These are the individuals, the back. It's all chopped, by the way.
Right, look at that. Freaking tires in there.
Yeah, what should you open this?
Huh? Yeah, open that. I want to see it. There's a princess. Kaylee, smile. I'm taping you. Smile, honey. That's pretty.
Should get like a sick ass color, dude. To put a lot of money in. Damn, dude, that shit looks hot. It's like a little lift. It lifts 13 inches in the back. No way. Yeah, and the front lifts 9.
Has anyone ever gotten hurt standing around this thing when he's doing that?
When he used to have a big thing of NOS, like a big tank right here, and he would just shoot it and it would pop the truck up. Yeah. But he blew all of his back. When he blew it back, it sounded like a shotgun. Boom! Fucking truck. Hey, Jimmy, put your back in when I take you to the show. Hey, where's that? Where's that?
That's it, huh? Those pumps are going right now, huh?
Yep, 200 PSI piece. Right here, they put out more than an air compressor, dude. Right here. Max power, 200 PSI piece. All in the ground.
When it lifts, you see your shaft. Your shaft twist.
Yep.
Jaden! What is that? He's like, what's going on? Hey, your son's smoking, Shannon. You see that?
He better not be.
Babe, keep an eye on him real quick, please.
What about him?
Well, look at the rim compared to the back rim. Why is he doing that?
That's brake dust.
Why?
Is it a Chrysler? That's why.
No, it's
Chevys don't do
a
that.
Bentley.
Damn, how many times do I gotta say your name before you answer me?
What?
Keep an eye on him real
I'm
quick
so
while I grab my cell phone.
fussy. That's Trisha's new song. I'm so fussy.
Hey, Shanna, can you watch him? Hey, he's gonna eat it. Come on, watch him for a second. Can you watch him for a second? Yeah, don't let him fall.
Ducky.
Jaden, what do you have on your nose?
Frosting.
It sounds like a freaking ice cream truck with those pumps going on.
Wait till he gets enough air in the front. Hey, I'm not gonna push it back. Huh? Take this up. Trying to crawl off.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Come here, Jaden.
Jaden, come over here to Daddy.
Jaden.
Jaden, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Where's he going with those little
Look at him.
flip
Look at him.
flops?
He sees how this. Jaden, look at over here. Look at how he walks in them. Look at right down there. See? There's no sidewalk. Jaden. Jaden.
Jaden, where you going, buddy? Jaden.
Oh. Look at his cheeks.
Come here, bud.
Oh, what's that grass? That's grass.
Hello? Yeah, that's him already.
I know. Oh, how cute.
How you been, Mary?
Fine. I'm Veronica. I'm never seen
Oh, okay. Well, I see you. I never see Mary.
She's always at work and I'm always here.
Here's your brother showing his bouncing skills.
Jimmy's gonna look back on this video 20 years from now when he's got like a beer belly and he's like partially bald and his teeth and he's gonna go, damn, I look good.
Oh, he stalled.
I got you better than that.
Where's Kaylee? Is Kaylee in there?
Huh?
Is Kaylee in there?
I can see her.
Where is she?
I asked her to put her sandals on. Keep an eye
Oh,
on
that's what
Jada.
she's probably doing.
Well, put it-
You gotta let go pressure, dog. I don't have the nitrous tank in there.
Let me see. Are they sparkling?
Yeah, you see how pretty Kaylee looks?
Pretty.
She's a bride, princess. See?
The Princess Bride.
That's right, Barbie.
Watch out, Jaden. Stay back, buddy.
Look at that tuck palm.
Sorry for you, that one. I'm so busted.
Go like that. I'm busted.
That's you. I'm busted. Talk.
I'm not bossy. I'm just a boss.
I'm skinny. I'm busted.
Kaylee, follow Jaden.
Honey.